Guys, it's another scorcher out here. The car says it's 99. It's super hot outside. But I am on my way to Rose's house, my older sister. You've met her plenty of times before. We're gonna make some crafts for Libby's room, so I'm really excited about that. I planned on getting there a lot earlier. It's already almost 1:30 and I just got out of bed, so I didn't eat yet, or I didn't, like, I want to go grab a gallon of water. An actual gallon, because I don't know if I told you guys, but the Deer Park jug that I've been drinking and refilling is only 100 ounces and a gallon is 128, so I feel like I've been scammed. I thought I was drinking a gallon of water every day. I'm about to go get some food, maybe Dunkin' Donuts, and buy a gallon of water, and then head to Rose's house. By the way, Lame's in the house editing the video for yesterday right now. I kind of gave him a little rundown of how to work iMovie, so I hope he can get it. If not, I told him just to call me with any questions, but it's going to be so funny seeing how it ends up. Getting these clips for my hair so I can get my hair on my face without tying it up. Now I need to get some water. My hair. I haven't vlogged since I got here. We haven't done much either.
No.
We ate. I had a bagel. Bagel or bagel?
I don't know. That's a good question.
And now we're cutting out letters. Well, I cut out a few letters. I still need to make a B to complete Libby's name, but it's stressing me out, so. And then we're going to embroider them on felt, which I'm really excited about because it's going to be so cute. I already know it. I need to go get my gallon of water. Why killing baby? Okay, I finally got the stencils, I guess, for the lettering done. The B was a B-I-T-C-H, but I got it done. It looks alright. I'm going to clean up all these scraps. And Rose is embroidering them with her machine. Oh my god! It's so pretty. So pretty already. Okay. What's up?
Coming out really cute.
Can you do like
kind of situation before when I was trying to, the guy was saying he wanted.
Rose keeps telling me all these stories about her kids and I keep laughing and I don't know why, as if this is not about to be me in a few years. Literally.
That's gonna be your future.
So I want to show you guys the L because it's finished. Oh god, I thought it was your foot. It's so cute.
Yeah, the lights in here really cool tones.
It's so cute. It's gonna be great. It's about midnight and we only got the L done, so no, it's, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
But
by the time we get to the next one of those, it's gonna be like 9. You're gonna get food. I gotta fire up the grill.
yeah.
So these kids can roast marshmallows.
Yes. We're driving and driving, trying to find some food. Still trying to find food, but we don't know what we want, so.
Not a damn thing.
It's like not that many options.
Nope.
Because it's 9 o'clock at night.
And it's COVID.
Yeah.
So.
That's like the main reason why there's nothing to eat. Kitty. So, oh. We just got back to Rose's house. We settled on Popeyes, so we drove around for an hour.
Just to get Popeyes.
Yeah.
Because I told y'all to get out.
And you know, listen. Mommy said let's go eat chicken, and you guys stayed in the car because you were on your tablet.
Didn't even pay attention.
Okay guys, it is a little bit later. We just finished eating. It was delicious. I don't think I told you guys this, but I cried earlier on the phone with Rose because I went to go to Dunkin' Donuts after I left the house to get some breakfast because I didn't eat anything. I ended up calling her because I wanted to know if she wanted anything, but she didn't answer. So I pulled up to the drive-thru and I asked for a croissant, and they said they weren't making any food at the moment. So I was like, all right, that's weird. And then I looked around in the area and all they had was a Wendy's, Wendy's, KFC, and Burger King. And I didn't want any of that. I didn't want fried food. I didn't want French fries. So Rose ended up calling me back, and then I told her that I was annoyed, and then I ended up crying on the phone. So that was my morning. All that just to say that I ended up eating French fries for dinner. Anyway, this is the progress on the embroidered letters. I just cut out the L and Rose just ironed it. It looks so freaking cute. Like, this is going to turn out so great. And now we're trying to figure out how we can sew up the edges so I can stuff it. And then we'll have the first letter done. And there's 4 more letters to go. Thank goodness I didn't name her, like, I don't know, something with lots of letters. Believe what time it is and I'm leaving Rose's house. I just left her house about 2 minutes ago. It's 5:08 in the morning and we're not even finished the letters. I only finished the L and the I. The B is all embroidered, so all I have to do is close up the edges and stuff it, which is nice. But wow, I don't know why it took so long, a lot longer than expected, but whatever. Anyway, I had a great day with my big sister and the kids, and ready to get in bed, as you can imagine. I actually don't feel that tired, which I don't really know why, but I know as soon as I shower and lay down, I'm gonna be out like a light. But anyway, I wanted to come in and end the vlog because what else is there to do? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, give it a little thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, in a few hours, I guess.